The next thing we're going to talk about perimeter is perimeter. Perimeter is adding up the outside. So you're basically looking for the total of the outside edges. So if we were doing the perimeter of the triangle, 8 plus 8 plus 8. 16 plus 8, 24. Now perimeter also comes in perimeter missing piece. And this is where you have a shape and a side is missing. So they have to do a couple of things. First, they have to use what they know about the shape. So if we look at the rectangle, it says the total perimeter is 40 and the length of this side is 8. That we know, students have been taught, if this is 8, then this is 8. So now we have two sides of our rectangle and we have to figure out the other two sides. In order to do that, they've been given a set of steps. Step 1 is to add what you have. Step 2 is to subtract that from the total perimeter. And step 3 is if there is more than one missing piece, divide by the missing sides. Okay? So adding what we have, 8 plus 8 is 16. We have to take step 2, subtract from total perimeter. So 40 minus 16. All right, gives us 24. Now we have 2 missing pieces. So we have to take that 24 and divide it by the number of missing sides, which is 2. 24 divided by 2. All right, and we can do this a lot of different ways, but we'll do it in counting by 2s. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So each missing piece is 12. And just check and make sure that we've done it correctly. Now that we know all the missing sides, we can go back and add those missing sides and make sure it's correct. 8 plus 8 is 16. 12 plus 12 is 24. 24 plus 16 is 40. So our answer is correct. So again, 3 steps. Add what you have, subtract from total perimeter, and if you have more than one missing piece, divide by that number of missing pieces. All right, the other thing in perimeter is sometimes they'll be given a shape and a total perimeter and they have to figure out the sides. If, judging from what they know about shapes, for example, they know a square has 4 equal sides. So if a square has a total perimeter of 40 with 4 equal sides, they have to take that 40 and divide it by 4. Okay, which gives them 10, which means each one of their sides would be 10. That works for any shape that has equal sides. Hexagon, an octagon. If there's 8 equal sides, they divide whatever the total perimeter is by that number. The last thing in perimeter is there are some times where they're going to be asked to compare area and perimeter.